I was actually just going over to, say hi to her and give her some treats, like our regular routine. She was laying down on the ground, which is not abnormal for her. However, the way she was laying down, just looking at her, I knew there was no way she was getting up. So we just stopped and thought for a little bit what to do next. And that's when the training that I had taken came to my brain, going, okay, we can do this. With taking the course the way that we did and putting all of that knowledge together and using it, we did something amazing that day. Take the course. Definitely take the course.